RV season is over, so time for hibernation. Some long lazy days ahead for Lazydays, ticker symbol GORV, because it delisted from the Nasdaq round the end of November 2025. The decision followed the approval of an asset purchase agreement with affiliates of Campers Inn Holding Corporation, under which Lazydays sold nearly all of its assets between November 17th and November 26th, 2025. After the asset sale, Lazydays went on to cease operations and started plans to wind up its affairs through a stockholder-approved liquidation and dissolution plan. The company, which had been facing significant financial difficulties, cited substantial operating losses, limited cash, and high debt obligations as key reasons for the delisting. With a market cap of $6.05 million and $326.8 million in debt, Lazydays didn't expect to have sufficient funds to repay all creditors. As part of its restructuring, Lazydays has amended its credit agreement to extend deadlines for certain payments. The sale of its assets, which include dealership locations in various states, is expected to generate proceeds primarily used to repay Lazydays' secured debts. Campers Inn RV, which will acquire most of Lazydays' assets, plans to continue operations at several of Lazydays' dealerships, expanding its network to 48 locations across 22 states. Following the completion of the asset sale and dissolution process, Lazydays does not expect to list its shares on any other exchange. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.